Carleigh. I'm a student specialist with CAP at Highland Elementary. I wanted to become a part of it because I've always wanted to be a teacher since second grade, and being able to work with students during my high school career is very beneficial for me for my future. My favorite part about working with the program is getting to be hands-on with the students and working just with them, helping them, and becoming a part of their lives and making a impact on their futures. That patience is definitely key. I need to have patience, not that I don't have patience, but more patience than I would have thought. I just love how creative they are, how just they don't have any filter, and I love that.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Megan Nagel. I teach CAP at Highland. I think it's giving Carleigh the opportunity to work right with the kids. Yes, she's in the classroom and she can run little errands, but she's really building a relationship with the kids that are in the classroom, understanding their needs and their wants and how to help them on a daily basis. I really love to have people in my room that want to go into education. I've been doing this for 25 years, so I love to see the next generation and help them to love it as much as I do.
My future plans are to attend a 4-year college to become an elementary teacher,